Concentrated animal feeding operations are large-scale agricultural facilities where animals are raised in confined conditions to maximize production efficiency. These operations are a significant part of modern agriculture, particularly in the production of beef, pork, poultry, and dairy products. CAFOs are defined by the number of animals they contain, which exceeds thresholds set by regulatory agencies like the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. For instance, a farm is classified as a large CAFO if it houses over 1,000 cattle, 2,500 swine weighing over 55 pounds, or 125,000 chickens if a liquid manure handling system is used. The primary advantage of CAFOs is economic. By concentrating large numbers of animals in one place, producers can reduce feed costs, improve herd management, and increase production efficiency. This contributes to lower prices for meat and dairy products in supermarkets. However, CAFOs pose significant environmental and ethical challenges. One of the major concerns is waste management. Large quantities of manure and other waste products can contaminate water bodies with nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus, leading to algal blooms and the degradation of aquatic ecosystems. Air quality can also be affected due to the emission of gases such as ammonia and methane, which are potent greenhouse gases and can contribute to respiratory problems in nearby communities. Animal welfare is another critical issue. Animals in CAFOs often live in cramped conditions, which can lead to health problems and aggressive behavior. The lack of space, natural light, and fresh air, along with limited opportunities for natural behaviors, raises ethical questions about animal rights and welfare. In response to these challenges, there is growing advocacy for sustainable agricultural practices that promote animal welfare and minimize environmental impacts. These include improved waste management systems, better living conditions for animals, and a shift towards less intensive farming methods. Regulations also play a key role in managing the impacts of CAFOs. In the United States, CAFOs are regulated under the Clean Water Act, which requires operators to obtain permits and take steps to mitigate environmental damage. These permits are designed to protect water quality by setting limits on the amount of pollutants that CAFOs can release into waterways. Despite these measures, the debate around CAFOs remains highly polarized, with ongoing discussions about their role in sustainable agriculture and food security. As consumer awareness increases, so does demand for meat and dairy products produced in systems that prioritize animal welfare and environmental sustainability.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us keep bringing you great videos like this one.